Children, we have completed the comprehension about the fairies, isn't it? So now we are going to answer the following questions. Okay, read the first one, what it is. Who were Tina and Meena? Who were Tina and Meena? Yes, Tina and Meena were fairies. What they were? They were fairies. What did the rabbit want from Tina and Meena? Rabbit wants something from them. What rabbit wants? Rabbit want to be friend with them. Rabbit wants to play with them. That is the answer. So the rabbit wanted to play with Tina and Meena. The rabbit wanted to play. वो play करके उनके साथ friendship करना चाहती है. Now the third one, what did the rabbit say that made Tina and Meena cry? Tina and Meena cried na in the story. Why? Why did they cry? Because the rabbit said that Tina and Meena looked very funny with the tails, didn't it? Isn't it? Rabbit told in this way na. What rabbit told to Tina and Meena? You look so funny with the tails and fairies do not have tails. अरे आप तो बहुत फनी दिख रहे हो टेल्स के साथ. दैट्स वाई what Tina and Meena did, they hurried to their mother, they rushed to their mother and they asked their mother that mama whether we have tails or not. So this made both of them cry. What made both of them cry? The rabbit told that they looked very funny with the tails. Now the fourth one, did Tina and Meena really have tails? Really, what the word really means? सही में, सच्ची में उनको tails है क्या? No, Tina and Meena did not have any tails. उनका बिल्कुल tails है ही नहीं है. Now the question number B, circle the adjectives in the following sentences. Children, always remember one thing that comprehension में question answers के अलावा आपको grammatical portion भी पूछा जाएगा. In sense what pick up some nouns या pronouns, adjectives, verbs, doing words, कुछ भी आपसे उनमें से पूछ सकते हैं. जैसा synonym of some word या antonym of the word, the proper nouns in the paragraph, तरह तरह के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे आपको. सो द मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू कीप वाइल डूइंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन इज you have to read each and every word carefully and you have to understand the concept of the passage or paragraph whatever that is given. Is it okay, children? Now the question is you have to underline, circle the adjectives in the following sentences. So two sentences are given below and you have to pick out the adjectives. So children, here let me ask you a question. What adjectives are? What are adjectives? We have earlier studied about this in our class 2 also. So adjectives are nothing but the words that tell more about nouns. Nouns के बारे में आपको और अच्छा से पता चलने के लिए जो भी words आप use करते हैं, that is adjective. Hat, रेड हैट मीन्स हैट एक नाउन है. कैसी हैट है? रेड हैट है. सो नाउन के बारे में हमें कौन बता रहा है इधर? द कलर रेड. That's why it is an adjective there. In the same way, let us see what the adjectives are there in the following sentences. Tina and Meena then went to the crazy rabbit. Where they went? To a crazy rabbit. So here the noun is rabbit and the word crazy tells more about rabbit. Which type of rabbit is it is? Is it crazy, naughty or fluffy? Whatever the type of rabbit it is. So we here came to know about the rabbit that it is crazy because of the adjective crazy. So circle this as the adjective. Now the second one, the rabbit looked at the fairies and gave naughty smile. What the rabbit done here? The rabbit looked at the fairies. Fairies की तरफ देख के कैसा smile दिया. Here it is rabbit के smile के बारे में हम समझ रहे. How the rabbit smiled in a naughty way. So the word naughty is the adjective given in this sentence. Now C, question number C. Pick two proper nouns and write them in the blanks provided. You have to pick out any two proper nouns. Proper nouns means whatever the special names that are there in the story, they will be considered as the proper nouns. So किसी का special names क्या है? Fairies. Fairies तो कोई भी fairy को हम fairy बोलेंगे. Rabbit, any rabbit will be called as a rabbit. So they will come under common nouns. So Tina, Meena, specially ये उस fairies का names है. So we can write Tina and Meena here. Now underline the pronouns in the following sentences. So children, already you know about pronouns also. Then what is pronoun? The word which is used in place of noun. Noun की जगह में, नाम की जगह जो आप यूज़ करते हो, सर्वनाम जो बोलते हैं ना, वही pronoun है. So let us see what are the pronouns given in these sentences. The first one it is, do we have tails? Do we have tails? मम्मा हमें टेल्स है क्या, ऐसा पूछे थे ना बोथ दिस फेरीज. सो we here means we refers to Tina and Meena. So we is the pronoun that is given here. So underline the word we. Next, I am sorry. Who told this? Rabbit told to Tina and Meena that sorry, I have just played a trick on you. That is the thing. So I am. So rabbit is saying about itself. So instead of rabbit, we are using I here. So I is the pronoun that we have used in this sentence, and underline the word I. Now children, the last exercise that we have to do is match the words with their meanings. Here we have two columns provided and we have to match the words from this column with the meaning. Okay, so first one it is rushed, prank, giggle, tease. I told you the meanings of each and every word in the comprehension, so let us find out them more easily. Rushed means hurried. Hurry होके hurriedly both Tina and Meena went to their mother ना, that is what rushed. So hurried के सामने हम one लिखेंगे. Children, never do matching as with lines. Lines के साथ matching नहीं करेंगे, because now you are grown up and you have to just write the number or the alphabet that is given. Okay बेटा. Now rushed means it is hurried, हड़बड़ी से. The second one it is prank. What do you mean by prank? Prank means the trick. What rabbit told, I have just played a prank. So trick. So we are going to write two number before trick, after trick, sorry. The third one, giggle. What is the meaning of giggle? The rabbit giggled, laughed and laughed. हंसती गई. So the meaning of giggle is laugh. Then the fourth one, tease. What it is? Tease. Tease means mock. Tease means वही mock का भी meaning यही होता है, teasing. Tease means what, वही मजाक उड़ाना जो होता है ना, that is mock, and tease are the similar words. So children, we have completed the complete comprehension. So go through this comprehension, and in your test you may get any unseen comprehension. कोई भी unseen comprehension may be there. So don't worry about more about that. Just go through the comprehension that is given. Whatever the comprehension may be, just go through it thoroughly and try to answer. Okay children, thank you.